due to pandemic all over has not dented our enthusiasm to celebrate this glorious. इस पावन स्थल पर आयोजित विजय दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में आए और मेरी साथी कमेंटेटर मंजू रॉय अपनी ओर से और शहीद स्मारक संस्था की ओर से दिवस के संदर्भ में पूर्ण रूप से परिचित है, जो 16 दिसंबर को वी आर सेलिब्रेटेड टुडे इन नोएडा। ये हमारा सौभाग्य है कि सभी नोएडा निवासी तरफ से यहाँ पर एकत्रित हुए हैं। हर्ष और उल्लास का ये वातावरण समारोह हम इस पुण्य स्थल पर 2002 से लगातार हर वर्ष मनाते रहे हैं। I would like to highlight certain events which are of immense interest there myself, encompassing huge sand dunes and virtually no communication facility. Our forces captured a huge pocket. Was the event where we had a fierce gun battle of Basanta in
with examples of exceptional valor exhibited by our armed forces in the face of enemy. This ceremony is thus to revere and pay homage to the martyrs. हमें तुम पर नाज है। Only memorial which was built by combined and relentless efforts of the ex-servicemen of Noida with the support of Noida Authority. It is truly one in the country at town level. Its beauty.
YSM, VSM, ADC, Vice Chief of the Army Staff. Was commissioned in 1777. Highly accomplished salvation of operational philosophy of the Southern Army. He is proud recipient of several awards. And now, Lieutenant General S.K. Saini, Vice Chief of the Army Staff, is going to take AD.
God, Bajo,
He was awarded Ati Vansi Seva Medal besides commendation from GOC Southern Command and Chief of the Army Staff twice. Ladies and Ladies and gentlemen,
I am particularly happy to note that despite the pandemic and other restrictions which have been imposed, I see that the memorial is well maintained and cared for. This speaks volumes for the kind of efforts which are being undertaken by the Sanstha. It so happens that we create many memorials and other creations to honor our fallen heroes, but then they are not maintained to that standard. I would also like to commend that this ceremony is being done year after year, and I am sure that it will continue in perpetuity. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, on this occasion, let us rededicate ourselves and take a pledge that we will never allow the memory of our fallen heroes to fade away, and we will always continue to make an effort to lessen the pain of their near and dear ones, some of whom are sitting across on the other side of the lawn. Jai Hind.